Hey guys, it's Uncle Jay back here in City Skylines, in the city-state of Mount Capac, and do a quick little overview here. I've let the game run for a little while. I got my detail work in on the farm area here. This is grown up nice and neat. Filled it out with some trees. I also decided to use this style suburban streets with parking. First time I ever used them. I've had them for a while, but I never really used them. I got our windbreaks in. Uh, little detail work. Kind of get that nice homey farm feeling. I also filled this in here, making some money. It's the highest I've seen it. Population's coming up. Nice. I added in this slip lane right here, which goes underground and comes into this road on the mountain, and they can only go this way. And it's helped with the traffic through here a little bit. Not a whole lot, but as you can see, a lot of guys are using this. Traffic is at 79%. I do play with despawning turned off. As you can see, this is a very busy area right here. Did a little detail work down here. Little cargo yard. I'm thinking I might have to change this. I might have to send all the trucks this way. And then, so this Congo line is coming this way. Maybe I'll just do something different over here. Don't remember that hump being there. We'll leave that alone for right now. Maybe I should move this to over here, a little farther down. Maybe add in another cargo hub. Try to split the traffic. That's a possibility. I add some more industry in down here. But what I'd like to do today is I want to get a new city in. Or a new city area. Also would like to get some oil industry in, which I'll use the tool and I'll change this up. I don't know if I want to put it all the way out here on the end or if I should keep it over here. I want to run a second train line over here for cargo and passenger. Should I build over here? Couldn't maybe have this squiggle up here, but then it's going to need highway access. I do have the train line coming through here. That would be interesting. The train line have a passenger and cargo, and then just this highway right here. That's a thought. That's definitely a thought. Could always come off. Nah, I don't think I like that idea. Alright. I think we should focus over here. I know I want to have a bridge come across here and the road come up. I don't know if I want to have it come this way or come this way, but I want to tie into here. I think maybe I'm going to level some of this. Definitely would like to get a airport in eventually. I think I'm going to flatten some of this out just a little bit, not too much, just to give me a better building area. And I think I might move this oil, maybe move it out over here so we have a nice big area for building another downtown area. uptown, side town. We'll figure it out. We'll name it. We'll figure it out. I gotta figure out how I want the 4-lane highway to come across and then squiggle up. And then I also have to think about toll booths. So let me adjust this real quick. Get this road up here, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I got this road in using the same 4-lane highway. I'm probably going to put a toll booth right here. Right now I'm going to leave that. We have our bridge coming across the river. And I decided the easiest way to get this road up this mountainside is just to hide all the steep grades underground. But at least you get a nice view of the highway a little bit as you're driving. Not the best, but it works. I could fix that up a little bit. And it's going to come up over here. Now I need to do some work with this using the node controller. So let's you guys, oh, no, not traffic manager. You guys never used the node controller. It's a really great tool. Hit the slope function, kind of smooths that out, and then we can do this, and then gives you a nice curve because it gets rid of that ugly corner when you're going from 3-lane to 2-lane. While I have it, I'm just going to go through here. I'm going to slope these. Oh, guess it doesn't like that one. Slope this one. Offset the corner. Slope this one. Offset the corner. Try to keep them matching. This one's okay. This right here. There we go. And then this one here. No. Let's slope that. You know what? I guess that'll be okay for right now. And then I try to get this to match the other side there. Alright, that looks a little bit better. A little smooth, a little bit smoother. When we go in our traffic manager, we want our control click, get our dedicated turning lanes. Now this, I think we should take this, turn it into 2 lanes here. And we don't want these guys going back on. So that's what we're going to do right there. Because now we got this funky little thing. I can use node controller and smooth that out again. But let's come over here. Let's upgrade that one. Traffic manager. And there we go. And you know what? I'll just do this manually. Dedicate turning lane. Dedicate turning lane. Alright. And then we are going to come over here, click on this node, Control S. I'll do it for these two, Control S. Because I don't want these guys swapping right here. Control S. Control S. Alright. Now come back here. Come on. Come on. There we go. Click on you. I want to make that slope, and I want to offset that just a little bit. Same with this one. I'll offset it and slope. You know what? I think I should move this node back a little bit. Try to keep them even. Alright, that works. And then we are going to actually, no, you just use Control L. Get our line marking tool here. We're going to make this one solid. We're going to make this a solid. This is going to be a dash. I'm going to change this to 2. And I think I want to make it a little bit brighter. There we go. Now this one, is going to be a solid line. And we're going to also make this a solid line. We're going to hold our Alt button. And we're going to click on these nodes here, or points. We are going to change this to chevron. And there is our turning lane. Let me Control L. Driving along. Road opens up. Oh, I'm going to have to do something about that right there. And then here is your nice highway exit right here. Yeah, let's do something. Let's open these up a little bit. And then we're going to do the same with the line marking tool. Solid. Go with solid. Now, this one, I'm going to have the regular dashes. Let's brighten this up a little bit. This lane goes that way. Now, this is what I'm going to do with this one. Instead of, I could just leave this open, which would be perfectly fine. You could do this, have a dash, and then let's go with 0.5. Let's see how that looks. You can have something like that. I've seen places where you know, they have stuff like that. That's not unrealistic. But I think I'm just going to delete that. We're just going to leave that open. So I want to go ahead and go through the rest of these, and I'll be back. Okay, I got all my lines marked, my nodes taken care of. It's a lot nicer, a lot nicer looking. Also, put my toll booth in, and used this divided highway right here. Robert Blake Way. How about we change this to his name is Robert Paulson. Paulson? I don't know if that's spelled right. There we go. Robert Paulson Highway. Alright. Yes, that's a movie reference. So I leveled some of this out. As you can see, I got rid of the ore and the oil that was here and the farm that was here, and I moved the oil down here. Right now everything, let me pause this, because right now everything's balanced, and that's how I want it. Oh, I got some people leaving. So this is going to be my oil industry. And then there's some maybe low density housing over here and some high density. So I'll have to get this to open up, my toll booth over here, and that'll come into the main town. Maybe I'll use the Central Park right here. I haven't used that in a while. First come in, the road will split, and then you have your Central Park. I think that sounds like a good idea. Yeah. I also need to get the train line up here. Okay, I went and I put down some train tracks and some roads. And before I forget, I'm going to come over here. We're going to, nope, let's get rid of you. We're going to, there we go. I'm pretty sure there should be an A in here. I'm pretty sure that's the correct spelling. So it's just been a few seconds for you guys. It's been about 2.5 hours for me. I've been fidgeting with the train lines and the grades, and as you can see, I started laying down the road network here for the oil area, some recycling centers, some services, our main buildings, trying to set up my flow here. I'm not crazy about this, but we'll see what happens. And I decided to add in this little 2-lane highway that comes down, snakes through, along with the train line. So let me show you how I have this. This goes to the edge of the map over here. And you see how this is right here? I'm thinking that's why I'm having a problem with, come on, where'd it go? With this right here. Oh, no, that is there. Okay, never mind. I might even move that farther out if we have a problem. So I'll show you what I've been working on here over here. This is going to be passengers and freight coming from that one corner that goes out of the map. Because I want to keep passengers and freight separate. Passengers will continue on this way. But I also want passengers and freight to be able to get to the other parts of the city, which is what this line is going to be for. So we have a split here and a split here for the cargo. Then this split and this is for the passengers, which will go into the main part of the town. Let's get a little bit of a mess over here. So these snake underneath, and I gotta fix the grades. I need to, ooh, you know what? I can lower these down some more. I didn't realize these were going back up. So I've been messing with this for a while, and it's gonna take me a while to get this at the right level and grade. So it needs to come all the way down over to here. So I need to kind of plan it to where it's going to be at this level. Oop, game jumping around a little bit. But I don't want it to be too steep also. As you see, I'm kind of working on raising the road up a little bit. Now using the parallel tool to lay down my tracks and road. And yeah, that's what I've been working on. Which is probably going to take me another hour or two to get everything the way I want it at nitpicking. But I'm not going to put you guys through that. And I want to watch some TV. So I think I'm going to call it there for this episode. I want to get the train line finished, and then I'm probably going to lay down the road network more for the city. And that's what we'll pick up next time. Thank you guys for watching. This is Uncle Jay, and please leave a like.